Hey Grand Adventurers, welcome back. I'm your host, Mark Guido. And after 5 months of sitting stationary in Utah for the winter, it's time for us to get back on the road. Come along. We've been busy with chores these past few weeks, checking through a list of boxes that we need to accomplish before heading out on 7 full months of RV travel ahead. We integrated a third 280 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery into our RV's battery bank. The tires on our F350 were due to be rotated. After another 10,000 miles or so towing over the past year, it was time to have our trailer's wheel bearings replaced and repacked. Our awnings were positively filthy and needed a good scrubbing. We had to make multiple trips to our Utah storage unit, including swapping out our ski stuff from winter for our kayak stuff for summer. Then there were the little things, among them getting our propane tanks topped off and filling our trailer's fresh water tank for the first couple of stops along our route. Now that the chores are done, we're ready to hitch up and head out to our first stop, Rawlins, Wyoming.
Riding deep into town. Another night of setting up and breaking down. And if we leave here tonight, we'll be halfway to Barstow by daylight. I'll take the wheel if you start to yawn. Just keep traveling on. Can barely stand on 2 feet. Callous fingers tap my weak and shaky knees. At least I can rest my mind. Find some comfort in those yellow and white lines. They've been there all along. Keep traveling on. Tell me, what is this place? Countless people, but not one familiar face. Not so bad, I suppose. Starting over every time I change my clothes. Even here I'm all but gone. Best keep traveling on. Big wheels turning home a lonely song. Best keep traveling on. Best keep traveling on.
Our plans for the 2026 season call for us to head up through the Dakotas into southeastern Saskatchewan, then strike eastward across Manitoba and northwestern Ontario along the north shore of Lake Superior. We'll then come back down into the States through Michigan in time to attend a KZ-RV rally in Indiana in early August. But after that, our plans remain vague. Our first stop on this route is here in Rawlins, Wyoming. Rawlins was named for Union General John Aaron Rawlins, who camped here in 1867 as he was surveying the route for the first transcontinental railroad. A year later, the Union Pacific Railroad arrived in town, and the town of Rollin Springs was formed. It began as a rough-and-tumble water stop, but grew into a vital transportation hub, cattle and sheep ranching center, and home to the historic Wyoming Frontier Prison, which operated from 1901 to 1981 and is now a popular tourist attraction. Historically, Rawlins has been alongside the Overland Trail, Oregon Trail, Mormon Trail, and Lincoln Highway. In 1884, Canadian immigrant and blacksmith James Candlish invented the sheep wagon in Rawlins, which is considered a precursor to modern RVs. We're going to head off to set up camp for the night. We'll share it with you once the sun comes up in the morning. But in the meantime, we'll get a great night's sleep on our quality RV mattress from our valued video sponsor, Brooklyn Bedding. Improve your sleep while camping with a new RV mattress from our video sponsor, Brooklyn Bedding. They offer 4 different mattress constructions in 21 different sizes, depending on preference and price point. Everything from standard queen to all of those funky, odd RV sizes. Brooklyn Bedding manufactures all of its mattresses right at their factory in Arizona. And RVmattress.com ships them right to your door for free, all rolled up and compressed in a vacuum seal. Just cut the wrap to unroll the mattress onto your bed, then cut the vacuum seal. For our mattress, Brooklyn Bedding starts with a layer of high-density foam for a supported base. Just above the base, an 8-inch core of over 1,000 individually encased coils provides the essential support. Immediately above the coils is a 1-inch layer of memory foam and 2-inch layer of hyper-elastic TitanFlex foam. Finally, at the very top is a 1.5-inch layer of antimicrobial CopperFlex foam with TitanCool, which is designed to maintain an ideal sleep body temperature of 88 degrees. Every RV mattress from Brooklyn Bedding comes with a limited lifetime warranty and a 120-night sleep trial. Visit RVmattress.com/grandadventure and use code GRANDADVENTURE to get a full 30% off your entire order. The BLM's Dugway Recreation Site, a few miles northeast of Rawlins, is a good choice for fishing and floating, as well as a ridiculously quiet place, not too far from I-80 to pull off for the night, as we're doing. It has 5 free dry campsites, 1 pull-through and 4 back-in, a group site, vault toilet, picnic tables, fire rings, and day-use parking. Sites are spread so far apart, it's almost like boondocking. Bring Starlink if you need connectivity, for we're getting 0 to 1 bar on Verizon. It's a good spot for spotting pronghorn, mule deer, coyotes, and regrettably, also rattlesnakes. You can fish for rainbow and brown trout and walleye in the North Platte River that flows past the campground. and it sure beats the alternative. As beautiful and peaceful as Dugway Campground is, our stop in Rawlins is just a one-nighter for us. For today, we're going to finish our trip to Box Butte Reservoir in northwestern Nebraska. So if you're not yet a grand adventurer, there is no better time than right now for you to go smash that little subscribe button right down there and ring that notification bell to be sure that you never miss a grand adventure, which we premiere right here every Wednesday evening. We'd also be honored if you shared the channel with your friends, family, and on social media. Understand, it's extremely important to us that if you enjoyed this short stop in Rawlins, please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up down below. And while you're down below, that's where you'll find the comments section, where we'd love to hear from you each and every week. So until next Wednesday from Box Butte Reservoir, please remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.